We all know that a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being, and maintaining the health of our arteries plays a pivotal role in achieving that. Calcium plaque buildup in arteries can lead to a variety of cardiovascular issues, making it essential to explore preventive measures. Calcium plaque, also known as atherosclerosis, occurs when calcium, fat, and cholesterol accumulate in the arteries, forming a thickened layer. This buildup narrows the arteries, restricting blood flow and potentially leading to serious cardiovascular problems. Vitamins are micronutrients that play crucial roles in various bodily functions, including heart health. Certain vitamins have been identified for their ability to combat calcium plaque buildup and maintain arterial health. Vitamin K2 is a vital nutrient that regulates calcium distribution in the body. It helps ensure that calcium is directed towards the bones and teeth instead of accumulating in the arteries. Working synergistically with vitamin K2, vitamin D3 helps maintain optimal calcium levels in the blood. This regulation is essential to prevent excessive calcium from settling in the arteries. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, offers protection to the arteries by preventing oxidative stress and inflammation. It also contributes to collagen production, vital for maintaining arterial elasticity. Another potent antioxidant, vitamin E, works to reduce oxidative damage in the arteries. By doing so, it aids in preventing the buildup of calcium plaque. Magnesium plays a crucial role in maintaining arterial flexibility and preventing calcification. It also supports overall heart rhythm and function. Vitamin A contributes to the health of the arterial lining, preventing damage and reducing the risk of plaque formation. B vitamins, including B6, B12, and folate, help regulate homocysteine levels. High homocysteine levels are linked to an increased risk of artery hardening. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit arterial health. They help reduce inflammation and maintain a conducive environment for heart health. Coenzyme Q10 is essential for cellular energy production. It also functions as an antioxidant, protecting arteries from oxidative stress. Found in red grapes, resveratrol has been shown to enhance heart function and reduce plaque formation. It also supports overall cardiovascular well-being. Garlic extract has natural anti-atherosclerotic properties. It helps cleanse the arteries, reducing the accumulation of calcium plaque. Berberine is known for its cholesterol-lowering effects. By maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, it contributes to the prevention of artery blockages. L-Arginine supports the production of nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and widens the arteries, promoting healthy blood flow and reducing plaque buildup. Prioritizing cardiovascular health is a vital aspect of leading a fulfilling life. By incorporating these essential vitamins into your diet, you can take proactive steps to prevent calcium plaque buildup and maintain the health of your arteries and heart.